Hey guys, this is DIY or Die, and look at that. Looks like we hit 100 subscribers. So we're in the triple digits now, thanks to you guys. So, in my appreciation of the support, I am going to be putting this transformer to the test here. I picked it up for $100 for 100 subscribers, and it's I get these wires out of the way. 24,000 volt to 120 volts potential or voltage transformer. And down there at the very bottom, right down there, as you can see, it has a rating of 1500 VA and 200 to 1 ratio, 60 hertz. It's got a good bill on there, 50 kV at 1 minute, and 150,000 kV at looks like that's probably lightning impulse or something. But yeah, this thing is absolutely massive. This thing, huge. Weighs probably 150 pounds. I was mucking around with it earlier there, just testing it out with some capacitors, but yeah. So we're just feeding it straight 120 here. Got it heavily ballasted through the just a microwave oven transformer there. It's actually quite a big one, biggest one I have. And then I just got a little push button contactor there for safety. So dead man switch, it's momentary. This is not grounded from, this is not only the primary, or only the secondary side with the low voltage side is grounded. This side is floating completely, so it's relatively safe to have in terms of with this. I don't have to worry about it arcing through there, back through this other side. Plus, I have a long chicken stick. So, anyways, let's plug this guy in and let's get started. Got her plugged in, so she'll be live here momentarily. Alright, here goes. It's getting to be about a foot long. Corona. Crazy. Woo. Look at that jump distance. Oh, popped the circuit breaker. So, yeah, I was probably pulling. I've checked with my Fluke beforehand, and I was pulling right around 20, 25 amps, somewhere around there at 120. Of course, it'll sag. Yeah, it definitely smells like some high quality ozone was being made there. I would hook that up, but it's doesn't really work the way I want, and I can't actually get to full rated voltage on with that. So, but yeah, I mean, this thing is obviously it's full of epoxy, but this is just stone cold. These things could take that forever easy. I mean, 1500 VA, we're probably pushing in maybe 3 kVA, so 3000 VA, but it could take 6000 no problem. And it's rated at 50 kV for a minute, so you could probably stuff 240 in there if you really wanted. I don't know. Usually these things saturate rather quickly compared to CTs, which are, you know, they're meant for measuring fault currents and stuff like that. So they'll saturate way higher than their rating. But these guys, we'll see. We'll muck around with some more. But yeah, simple little contactor. Obviously the breaker's been killed, but just a nice little contactor there. 25 amps, decent size microwave oven transformer. It's getting warm. And yeah, you can have some fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Arkin session there, and yeah, more videos to come. I've been pretty busy, so hasn't been a whole bunch of videos, so I apologize for that. But yeah, this is just letting you guys know I'm still kicking, and there's plenty of videos and projects to come, so I appreciate the support. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one.